I hope all you all are having a blessed day. I just recently got the Holbein Granulating Watercolor set. There's 24 colors. They're 5mm tubes, and I thought we would have a bit of fun making some pebbles. So I'm going to squirt out a wee bit onto my Master Son's Stay Wet palette. I'll squirt out a little dollop of each one, and we will do some swatching. I'm looking for the pigment numbers. There they are. Very, very tiny. Okay, this first one is Bork's Parrot Pink, and it is PY159 BV10. Not sure what that is. And PR122. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not going to take a lot out because they're itty bitty. The granulating colors like a lot of water, so I'm going to add in a bit of extra water, give them an opportunity to move around. A dollop of water there, and we'll see what they do. Okay, the next one is Trumpet Vine Red, and it is PY159 and PR177. And I can already see yellow coming up. Next one is Cherry Blossom Pink, and it is PR233, which is Potter's Pink, PO73, and PW6. That is a pretty one. And I'm just taking out the smallest amount I can. Yep, that's definitely Potter's Pink. And the next one is Flamingo Orange. I like me a good orange. And this is PR233 and PO73. This one is Lunar Eclipse Red, and it is BV7 and 15, PY110 and PR122. Okay, and the next one is Pampas Grass Yellow, and it is PR233, PY43, and PY83. And the next one is Full Moon Yellow, and it is PY159, PY42, and PBK6. And the next one is Japanese Bush Warbler Green, and it is PG17, PY42, and PY43. Okay, the next one is Mimosa Yellow, and it is PY159, PB29, and PG17. And you can see I'm just squeezing out just the tiniest little bit. Don't want to waste it, that's for sure. The next one is Wonder Forest Green, and it is PY43 and PG50. Really starting to separate here. Let's see, that was 4. So this one is P-Foul Green, PY159, PR232, PG7, and PB15. Okay, the next one is Ocean Blue, PY159, and PB15. Now we're on to the third row, and that is Jade Vine Blue, and it's PV47, PB15, and PW6. Oh, that one's pretty. All right, the next one is Nightfall Indigo, PG50, PV7, PV15, and PB60. Next one is Clematis Violet, and it is PY159, PB29, and PV23. See things happening there. The next one is Earthshine Violet, PB29, PR177, and PR122. Next one is Twilight Purple, PV47, PR233, and PO13. And the last one in this row is Daybreak Orange, and it's PG50, PO73, and PR254. Now we're on to the last row. This one is Eurasian J Rose Gray, PB29, PG18, and PO73. This one is Hazy Moon Yellow, PY159, PBK6, and PB15. Oh, that one's pretty. I like that. This one is Echinopes Green Gray, and it is PB29 and PG17. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, the next one is Shoebill Blue Gray, PB71, PB29, and PBK11. This one is Moonlit Night Blue, and this is PB29 and PBK6. This is pretty. Very, very dark. And we're up to the last one. This is Rainy Night Moon Black, and it is PB29 and PR101. It's interesting that it's a black, but it has no black in it. All right, I am going to let these dry and then I will come right back. Okay, here are the colors. They're all dry and I've labeled them all. And I'm not sure how much I trust the pigment information on the tubes, because some of them just don't work. Like Rainy Night Moon Black is supposed to have PB29 and PR101. That's a dark blue and a red, but that's black. Even in the area that I wiped away, I don't see that. This looks like maybe lamp black. I kind of see a little bit of blue poking through, but I really think that there's some black in there. Either way, these are exquisite. And I noticed that there's no browns in any of these. Very interesting, just beautiful. So that is what I have for you today. And if you can find these things on sale, do yourself a favor and grab them. They are beautiful. They granulate lovely. And I can't wait to start using them in a project. So I will see you next time right back here at 70 Acres Studio with our next little video real soon. You all have a very, very wonderful week ahead. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy.
You are fair.